Hi everyone, it's Matilda, and I've finally gotten my package from Stephanie. She sent this at the end of March and now it's the end of June, so I'm so happy that I finally got this package and I just wanted to share this with you. So in here I have the swap, let's see, the flower swap that me, her and Kim did, and the altered egg carton swap that me and Steph did. So let me just open this up. Okay, so I've opened up the box and here is a little letter. So, oh, that's such a cute washi. Might save that a little bit, Steph. Thank you. Okay, so let me just read this. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Oh, and actually, I think this is a die that I sent to her as a gift like a while ago. Okay, so I'm just gonna read this. Oh yeah, Stephanie said like that she was sorry she was being late with the flower swap, but on the bright side, I think I'm early with the egg carton one, lol, or LOL, sorry. That's so funny, like she was, for once, she was early with the swap, and then the mail stopped running, and I didn't get it in time anyway. So, I would have gotten it early if the mail would have, you know, if it would have been like usual. So, like, this is such a big... Steph, don't tell me this is the egg carton. Like, oh my god. That's not an egg carton. That's too big, but I'll look at that second. It wasn't. This is the egg carton. Oh, a little button fell off. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. You also have like a lot of lace and stuff. Oh my god, another thing fell off. You just have to tell me where it was. Oh, it's one of these cute clay flowers that you've sent me before. And this little button. You'll have to tell me where they were. Oh, and I love, look at that, the flower and pearls in here. That's so pretty. Pretty. Like, I can't say that word properly. Sorry. That's so pretty. Oh, I love that, Steph. I like that you had the same idea as me with putting the lace on here. I just went like overboard, but that's so pretty, and I just want to look at the inside. Wait, I saw that she did something on the outs, or the down here. Yeah, Springtime Altered Egg Carton Swap, hosted by Stephanie Stickles. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's open it up. Oh. Wow, Steph! Look at this inside. Oh, and things keep on falling here. I don't know where that was. This has been on the road for a while, so I guess that's why. That's so pretty! And here it says, do everything with love and you will be blessed. And I've seen you use this on a different project, this corset. That's so pretty, and I love the heart and the key. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Wow, you filled this with a whole bunch of fun stuff. So here we just have some seam binding and all these super cute like crocheted flowers. Oh, that's so cute, and you know I love pink. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, thank you, Steph. And all of this, like, it's covered with lace on the inside too. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you. And oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And I'm just thinking right away, like, these could be used just as they are, but also as the centers of flowers. But these are like, you know, these are like too pretty. Like, how could I use these? I mean, I will, but it will be hard. They're so pretty. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much, Steph. You always just send me the best stuff. Oh, and here's some clay flowers that I think she made. Oh, this is so pretty. And more buttons. Come here. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you, Steph. Okay. And here, oh, these are leaves. Like burlap leaves. Ooh, and this, wow, this really big, like metal leaf and a metal flower and more buttons. I'm not gonna try and pick all those up because I'll probably fail. Oh, that's so pretty. And some, oh, more metal stuff. And these, or this is like a wood block with frame on it that you can do some cute things with. More metal stuff. Ooh, this is a Tim Holtz, I think. Possibility begins with imagination. Oh, and I love metal, like metal embellishments and charms. And there's a key with like a dangle on it and a crown. Well, the funny thing is I sent her, like, she sent me this one, like a metal one, and I sent her this gold one. That's so funny. And here we have all of these. Oh, and I love, what do you call it? Scrabble in English? Yeah. These Scrabble letters. Oh. That's so nice. Thank you so much, Steph. Oh, wow. I just love, and like, here she used a few of those very pretty, like center, like these ones, in here too. Thank you so much, Steph. So I'll put this aside. Oh, let's close it up. And let's go to this next thing. Oh my gosh. Like, look at this. She made a drawer. Steph. Oh my gosh. And it had some feet on it as well. Oh, this one's a bit loose, but I'll glue that down. That's so cute, Steph. Oh, it's the little leg here. It doesn't want to stand up properly, but I'll fix that later. This is so pretty. Let's open it up. Oh, look at the lid here. It says, if there ever comes a day when we can't be together, keep me in your heart. I'll stay there forever. And it's from Winnie the Pooh. Oh, thank you so much, Steph. And these are all the flowers that she made, and she used all these centers that was in the egg carton. I just want to keep holding the lid because I'm a bit scared at, like, yeah, because it's a bit heavy. Like, here's one of the flowers. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, and I have some other handmade flowers from Stephanie that she's made before, and they're also so pretty. Oh, and that's the little flower again that I really liked in the center there. Oh, that's so pretty. And another one. Oh, and another one of these. Steph, you made too many, I think. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, wow. And I just have to look, like, if there's, like, if you put anything more in this, you really didn't have to. Like, oh, she did? Steph, you're so bad. Wow, these are so pretty. My God, and these are so well made. Look at these. Wow. Oh my gosh. I have so many. Wow. Ooh. These are like felt flowers. Flowers. Oh wow. That's so pretty. One purple one. Sorry, I just got a phone call, so I just had to take that. But Stephanie, like, you always spoil everyone so much. And I can't get this to go in. Oh yeah, okay, I can. Like when you were gonna make me a loaded envelope, you make me a loaded corset. This is like, you could have just done normal packaging like everyone else, but you have to like, but you always go, oh, I can lift it in this, sorry. You just make everything so pretty, and you put like extra details in everything, and I just appreciate it so much. And thank you so much for being my friend, and yeah, I just love swapping with you, and I'm so happy that the package finally got here after months of waiting, and I can't wait to swap with you again. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day, everyone. Bye!